In this video, you'll learn how to put images side by side in Notion. This process will enhance your document layout and make it visually appealing. By following these steps, you will successfully position images next to each other within your Notion workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Notion. Once the page loads, you will see the home page with options to either sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your workspace. Next, click on the Add New Page button, which is typically located in the left sidebar. This action will create a blank page within your Notion workspace. You will notice a new page interface that allows you to customize your content. Ensure that you are in the correct workspace where you want to add the images. After this, click on the title area of the new page to give it a name. This step is important for organizing your pages effectively. Type in a suitable title for your page, and once you finish typing, click anywhere outside the title area to save it. Now, click on any blank space within the page. This action will activate the content area where you can start adding different elements. You should see a blinking cursor indicating that you can start typing or inserting content. Type in /image, and a menu will appear showing various options related to images. This command allows you to insert images into your page easily. Once the options appear, you can proceed to the next step. Click on the image option from the menu that appears. This selection will prompt you to upload an image from your device or select an image from the web. If you have a specific image in mind, ensure it is saved on your computer for easy access. After that, click on the upload button to choose an image file from your computer. A file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the location where your desired image is stored. Select the image and click open to upload it. Keep in mind that larger files may take longer to upload based on your internet speed. Next, click on the embed link option. If you intend to use an image from an online source, this option provides an easy way to include images without needing to download them first. A prompt will appear asking for the link to the image. Click on Unsplash to access a library of free images. You can search for images that fit your needs. Once you find an image you like, click on it to select it. This action will embed the image directly into your Notion page. Now, if you want to use animated content, click on GIPy to explore animated GIFs. Browse through the available options and click on the GIF to insert it into your workspace. This will add a fun dynamic element to your page. Once you've inserted the images, click on the blank space again to prepare for the next image. Type in /image once more to insert another image. Select image from the menu and repeat the upload process as described earlier. After uploading the second image, you will see both images on the page. Click on the 6 dots icon that appears on the left side of the image. This icon allows you to drag and reposition the image. Finally, click and drag the second image next to the first image. This action will place the images side by side. Ensure that they are aligned to your preference. You can adjust the spacing as needed to achieve the desired layout. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.